Good morning everyone. Let's start with a new video, that is Kinosotape types and its application. How to apply Kinosotape and what are the different types of Kinosotape when you visualize it. First one, Y strip. Y strip looks somewhat like this. Always make sure when you want to apply Kinosotape, cut the edges into rounded pattern, or else if you keep it square pattern, the sharp ends come out easily compared to the rounded pattern. So the best example where Y tape can be used is your knee joint. Y tape, the center part of the two strands of the Y is the part where the tape is not covered, thus leaving the patella in the diagram, thus leaving the patella blank without tape covered and passing the tape besides the patella. This is your Y strip. Coming on to the next one, I strip. I strip looks just like an eye with a rounded edge. This can be applied, for an example, to be on your rhomboid, thus to either reduce the trigger point, or as we saw it in the first video of Kinosotape application, or we can also use it in other area where you want to do the space technique in order to reduce the trigger point. Coming down to X tape. X tape has two different strands crossing each other at the center point, cut with the rounded edges. This tape can be used for a single point if a trigger point is present at the single point, or you want to activate the insertion of the muscle. Fourth one, fan shaped. Fan shaped tape looks exactly like this, how to be cut with the rounded edges. Fan shaped tape is known to drain the edema towards the base. So please make sure when you apply fan strip tape, the base should be draining toward base should be located near the lymph nodes, so that the edema gets drained into the lymph nodes. The last one, web strip. Web strip is nothing but two fan shaped strip either crisscrossing each other as it is shown in the diagram, or central part is left open and the two shapes are facing each other. The two strips are facing each other, so that the edema is getting drained to the central part, away from the central part towards the base, thus leading to reduction on the edema of the joint line. Last one, I think, donut strip, wherein the center part again is not covered with the tape and these are the two strands of the tape. Again, it can be used in the knee joint where the patella is kept open without covering of the tape. Coming down to skin preparation. Before application of tape, make sure the patient has no hair on the skin to be taped, no oil on the skin to be taped. It should be clean with sterilium, so that no dust also lies on the skin where the taping should be done. And taping assessment technique, I'll be dealing with the taping assessment technique in the next class. The fifth one, measure the length of the tape depending on the part to be treated. Before cutting the tape, just measure the length of the tape, how much is needed. For example, if you want to treat just a single trigger point, the length of the tape might not be required that much when you want to do the muscle correction technique, as we saw it in the first video. This last but one point, tape the area. Making sure this all thing is done, the guidelines are followed for Kinosotape taping. Tape the area with base attached first, without tape, without stretch, and then the rest tail of the tape with the stretch if needed. Reassess after the taping is done. Reassessment of the movement which was painful after the taping, definitely the pain should reduce during the movement. Thus, reassessment of the taping is very important. I've missed one more point. The last point is nothing but your activation of glue. Once you reassess, if the direction of the tape is very well and good, there is no pain during the movement, activate the tape with the back paper which you just peeled it off from the Kinosotape. Rub the back paper over the applied tape region so that the glue gets activated and it sticks for around 1 to 3 days. So thank you. This was the end of the Kinosotape. The last lecture will be on type of taping Kinosotape assessment methods.